Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be making this adorable fabric Christmas tree using an old plaid shirt. I had this metal pot from another project, so I decided to use it as the base. I had some round floral foam from Dollar Tree, and it actually fit perfectly in the bottom. I glued the floral foam to the inside bottom of the planner. I also added glue around the edge of the floral foam at the top. This way I know the tree is secure. I then used a dowel and made a hole in the floral foam. I took the dowel out and filled the hole with hot glue and replaced the dowel. I used my son's old shirt and cut it into strips. I started out measuring, and of course, I wound up just eyeballing it. The first 12 strips were 12 inches long and about 1.5 inches wide. The second 10 strips were 10 inches long and the same width, and that's when I quit measuring. I started at the bottom of the dowel with the 12-inch strips first and worked my way up. When I was done with the 12-inch strips, I started working with the 10-inch strips. I tried to turn the strips in different directions as I worked my way up the tree. I kept adding strips of fabric until I was about 1 inch from the top of the dowel. After adding all the fabric pieces, I used my scissors and snipped here and cut there to shape up my tree. I also turned some of the strips to fill everything in. I kept working with it until it looked the way I wanted. I found this star-shaped ornament and thought it was perfect for the top of the tree. I removed a couple of layers of the scrap fabric and glued the star to the dowel. I then replaced the fabric to cover up the glue. Sorry for the terrible angle, but the tree was sort of tall and I just couldn't get a good top-down shot. I think the tree is so cute. I will be using it as a centerpiece this Christmas. It has all my favorite colors: red, gray, black, and white. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading new Christmas videos weekly, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. To be notified when I upload a video, hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.